A lot of students have query regarding the fees structure and the problems faced while depositing the fees. So let's first understand the fees for applying for general category is 1000 rupees if you are an Indian citizen. If you are applying from outside, it is 5000, but that is for 3 test papers. If you want to apply for any additional paper, it would be at a multiple of 500 for those applying from India, and for foreign students it would be at 1500 per additional paper. Very important to note. So if you maximum limit that you have is up to 20 papers that you can select, but 3 papers are available for free, and then for not for free but at the minimum charges, but for every additional paper after that you would have to pay more fees, right? The next important thing is online payment. Lot of crunch while you are doing an online payment. One common thing is you have made the payment but the confirmation page does not show up. In that case, the amount gets refunded to your bank account. If it does not within 24 hours, then you can make a repayment, or you can connect to the CUET PG official email ID for the status. In case you have made the payment and the status is not updated, wait for 24 hours. If not, connect the support team. If there is double payment, in that case one of the payments get refunded back to your account. So fees, and at the final point when you are paying the fees, there are issues, but that's not usually with the CUET website, but it's usually with the bank servers. Sometimes your bank is not, the servers are not working. Sometimes the accepting partner servers are not working, and that's true for not only this examination but for anywhere you do an internet banking or internet online payment. So you might be familiar with that already. But yes, if you are applying for more than 3 subjects, you would have to pay additional fees of each subject. So whatever subject you fill, make sure you are preparing those subjects well. The coverage of each of the subject is based on the syllabus available in the description here. So wish you very good luck. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back. Thanks for joining in.